I feel like I should say this now. Hello there everybody, it's me, Redwood701 here. I am back with another video. And I need to talk to you guys about something. On January 7th, 2025, the California wildfires started. Nobody knew how it happened. Nobody even knows. Yeah, we do know. It was the way the wildfires started was that it had to do with a really bad wind, which actually caused literal wildfires. And yeah. So well, I haven't got any news about the wildfires, but I think they're still continuing or something. But yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, when the wildfires were getting so close, okay, my own school literally had to take every child out of that school because the fire was getting worse. My classmates were even freaking out of pure fear. Cause let me tell you this, when I woke up at 7 a.m. In the morning, when you wake up at like 7, there's the sun rises, right? Well, when the wildfires were there, no, it was just pure dark. It was dark. I felt like it was 3 a.m. already, or something. Like it was just dark. And when I looked out the window, from my bathroom, like in the balcony, I saw darkness, and I saw an incredibly big light. Like it was like the size of a literal body. It was like the size of an arm. Like seriously, and I could not. It was like the size of a table. It wasn't. Well, it was long. It was long. It was like the size of a. It was like the size of an arm. But yeah, and yeah. I haven't really got that much news. And by the way, in which region the wildfire really started, I don't really have that much information. And plus, the region in the Southern California that suffered the most was a region called the Pacific Palisades. If you go there, you'll literally see that the entire region is like straight up burned into the ground. It was like straight up burned to the ground. Luckily here in Los Angeles, luckily here, it has not gone that far. It has not reached here. But like in other regions where it's really close to us, it burned. Everything was burning. But luckily here, it did not burn. Luckily. Oh yeah, and also some celebrities' houses, they also got burned into the ground. Yeah. It has also, by the way, been one of the most scariest events in Californian history. So yeah. That you just saw there, that was just feet. But yeah. Yeah. And look at my hat, look at this. Okay, let's stop messing around. But yeah. Right now, chilling in my sofa. Right here. But yeah. And I don't even know how to explain it. Literally, so many of my classmates were terrified. Like, we even had a new student. So what? So what is that to happen that time? So, well, yeah. Like we even had a new student at the time. So why did that even have to happen? Well, let's not get too detailed here. But yes. That's all I wanted to say here. I know this thing is just boring, but what, I had to say something, you know? But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Alright, bye.